Same lesson, very important stage on this lesson, that is multiplication of matrices. So in previous class we have discussed about operations on matrices. The first operation, addition of matrices; second one, subtraction of matrices; and multiplication of a matrix by scalar or a number. Now very important stage in this lesson, that is multiplication of matrices. Very important. So this is very easy. So little bit you will get a confusion. So listen to me carefully, please. Everyone concentrate on this. Now, what is the rule? What is the rule to multiplication of matrices? So consider. So very important. So A and B, two matrices. So beginning I told you, complete this chapter. Order of a matrix is very important. So here also you see. Consider two matrices. For example, order of the matrix A is equal to, for example, I am telling this is 3 cross 2. And order of the matrix B, it should be very important. Just to observe this one. So 3 cross 2 means, so 2 columns and 3 rows. Number of rows 3 and the number of columns 2. So 3 by 2 or 3 cross 2. Now you see what is the order of B. Very important. So compulsory. So A matrix, it has 2 columns. Compulsory B matrix, number of rows is also compulsory too. Okay na? Number of rows compulsory, it is 2, which means that as columns of the first matrix, columns of the first matrix is equal to rows of the second matrix. So this is the rule. First C is equal to second R. First C means columns of the first matrix. Columns of the first matrix is equal to rows of the second matrix. That is very important. If these two are equal, then only we can multiply. So what about this one? Yes, whatever it may be. If you want, you can take 2. No problem. So this is very important. Column of the first matrix is equal to rows of the second matrix. Columns of the first matrix is equal to rows of the second matrix. So this is the rule, multiplication of matrices. Next, AB is possible. Columns of the first matrix is same as rows of the second matrix, then AB is possible. AB means product of AB. Next, what is the order of AB? Yes, we can find. Before going to multiplication, we can find the order easily. So now, first matrix, that is A, it has 3 rows. 3 rows. 3 into second matrix, it has 2 columns, that is 3 cross 2, which means that as the order of the matrix AB is as first row into second column. Yes, this is very important. Yes, what is the rule? Column of the first matrix is equal to rows of the second matrix. Column of the first matrix is equal to rows of the second matrix. Then we can say that A and B matrices are compatible or conformable for multiplication. Conformable for multiplication, which means that column of the first matrix is equal to rows of the second matrix. So why I am repeating continuously this one? Because this is very important. Column of the first matrix is equal to rows of the second matrix, then the product of AB is possible. Then the obtained matrix, obtained means product. The obtained matrix is of the order, is also very important. So remaining here, rows of the first matrix, 3 into column of the second matrix, that is 2. Column of the second matrix, that is the order of the AB is 3 cross 2. First C is equal to second R. This is the rule for multiplication. After multiplication, the obtained matrix is of the order first R into second C. First order into second C, this is order. Order of the obtained matrix. So first C is equal to second R. This is rule for multiplication. You must remember these 2 points. Now, see some other examples. Let's consider again, for example, A and B. For example, S. A matrix is of the order 4 cross 3. 4 rows and 3 columns. So can you guess this rows of the second matrix into, so this is whatever it may be. So what about this one? Can you guess this? Yes, very simple. This is also very important. 3. I told you column of the first matrix is same as rows of the second matrix. Column of the first matrix is same as rows of the second matrix. So into whatever it may be. Yes. Now, so can you say this? What is the order of AB? Yes, 4 into, yes, column here 2. So this is 4 cross 2 is the order of the obtained matrix, that is AB. So what is the rule for multiplication? Means if two matrices, that is A and B, are said to be compatible or conformable for multiplication, that is AB, the rule is if and only if the number of columns of the matrix A or the number of columns of the first matrix, we can say A, or the number of columns of the first matrix is same as the number of rows of the second matrix. Number of the columns of the first matrix is same as the number of rows of the second matrix, then AB is possible. Next, the obtained matrix is of the order, that is rows of the first matrix into columns of the second matrix. Columns of the second matrix, that is in this example 3 cross 2. So here 4 cross 3, 3 cross 2, 3 compulsory same. Next, the order of the obtained matrix is 4 cross 2. Okay na? Is it clear? Next, if you want, you can take some example here. So A, B, S. Its order is, for example, 1 cross 2. 1 row, 2 columns. S. Next, what is this one? Number of columns here 3. So how many rows it has? That is very important. Compulsory it is also 2. Then only AB is possible. So what about this one? Write anyone, no problem. 1. Therefore, what is the order of AB? Yes, here C, here R. Columns of the first matrix is same as rows of the second matrix. Therefore, AB is possible. If AB is possible, what is the order of AB? Number of rows, 1. Here, number of columns, 1. So this is 1 cross 1. So this is the row. Suppose if A matrix is of the order M cross N, generally A matrix is of the order M cross N. Next, B matrix is of the order, I told you, N. That's very important. N. Yes, if you want to write here P. Therefore, the order of the AB is given by number of columns is same as the number of rows. Therefore, the order of the AB is given by M into P. Yes, this is the rule for multiplication of matrices. Okay na? Just you note down all these, what they given in your textbook. So rule is given, just you note down the rule. Directly I will start procedure to find the multiplication of matrices. Okay na? Last exercise in this chapter 8.3, question number 1. A is equal to 3, 5, minus 4, 2. B is equal to 2, 4. First, the question is the product AB possible? So how can you find this? Write A here, then B here. Yes. Write the order of the matrix A. So 2 rows, 2 columns. So its order is 2 cross 2. Now, very important, listen carefully. First row, second row. First row, second row. So this is 1R, first row. This is 2R, second row. 2, 4. This is only 1 column. What is the order of B? 2 rows and 1 column. So yes, any confusion here? First row, second row, only 1 column. So it has 2 rows and 1 column. Now we have to check AB is possible or not. Just now I told you. So number of columns of the first matrix, is same as number of rows of the second matrix. Number of columns of the first matrix is same as number of rows of the second matrix. Here also 2, here also 2. Therefore, AB is possible. Answer is AB is possible. Reason, what is the reason here? So reason is number of columns of matrix A is equal to number of rows of matrix B, that is first C is equal to second R. First C is equal to second R. Okay, AB is possible. So can you guess what is the order of AB? Yes, order is, yes, AB is possible. So order of AB is given by S. Number of rows of the first matrix, that is 2 into number of columns of the second matrix, that is 1. So the order of AB is 2 cross 1. Okay, na? So rule is as first row into second column. While you are finding the order, you must remember this rule. First row into second column. Before this, this is very important. First C is equal to second R. So this is the rule for multiplication. Then the order means, so this is the rule. Now, see the procedure. Yes, AB is possible. So AB is equal to, yes, 3, 5, minus 4, 2. And B, that is 2, 4. As before going to find AB, put arrow mark like this. So here also put arrow mark like this. This is the rule. Yes. Move forward. Forward means row elements, according to row elements. Down means column elements. Now here you consider only row elements. In this first matrix, consider only row elements. Second matrix, consider column elements. Yes, here 3. Multiplication into 2. Yes. Still one more element remaining in this row. So what you have to do? Compulsory write a plus sign. After the completion of first row, first column, then you write comma. Okay, na? Next, consider next element 5 into, let's move downwards, that is 4. There's any doubt? Here move forward, come downwards. First row, first element 3, here 2. Compulsory write plus, consider next element. So arrow mark shows move forward, here arrow mark shows come downwards. Column elements, row elements. 5 into next element, that is 4. Okay, na? Now first row, first column over. Coming to second now. So minus 4, second row elements, minus 4. Again same element, that is 2. Plus next element 2. Come down, that is 4. So which implies AB is equal to 3 into 2, 6 plus 5 4 20. Just very carefully here. Don't write comma. Next, minus 4 into 2, minus 8. So 2 into 4, 8. That is plus 8. So the final answer is 6 plus 20, 26. Minus 8 plus 8 gets cancels. 0. What is the order of this one? Very important. 2 rows and 1 columns. Okay, na? Is it clear? Is any doubt regarding this? So this is the rule. This is the rule. Find the product of the matrices A and B. Number of columns of the first matrix is equal to number of rows of the second matrix. Then the order of the AB is number of rows into number of columns of the second matrix. So this is the rule. A is equal to 2, 5, 1, 3. B is equal to 1, minus 1, minus 3, 2. Find AB and BA. So these two are not equal, which means that multiplication of matrices is not commuted. But A plus B is equal to B plus A. So common multiplication 3 into 4 is equal to 4 into 3. But in case of matrices, AB is not equal to BA, you'll see later, is AB is equal to BA. So before going to find, first you have to check whether AB is possible or not. In the previous class I told you, first what is the order of A? 2 cross 2. What is the order of B? Is also 2 cross 2. So in previous class I told you, column of the first matrix is equal to rows of the second matrix. Rows of the second matrix. And therefore AB is possible. I mean A into B is possible. Yes. After getting AB, I mean the obtained matrix is of the order rows of the first matrix into column of the second matrix. Yes, now you see here solution. Yes, first AB, A 2 5 1 3, and B 1 minus 1 minus 3 2. So write arrow mark here. So this one downwards. So which implies AB is equal to, consider rows element here, first rows element. Next matrix consider column elements, rows elements, column elements. So 2 into 1. So 1 or 2 questions I will write in detail. Next I will write direct answer. So 2 into 1. 2 into 1 plus 5 into minus 3. 5 into minus 3. Now you write comma. After the completion of first row, first column, then you write comma. Now same row you consider. 2 into, now change in column, minus 1 plus 5 into 2. Next, consider second row element, 1, same column, 1 plus 3 into minus 3, comma. Next, same row, 1, change in column, minus 1 plus 3 into 2. So which implies AB is equal to 2 into 1, 2, 5 into minus 3, minus 15, plus of minus 15, that is minus 15, 2 into minus 1, minus 2, plus 2 into 5, 10, 1 into 1, 1, 3 into minus 3, minus 9, plus of minus 9, that is minus 9, 1 into minus 1, minus 1, plus 3 into 2, 6. So therefore AB is equal to 2 minus 15 minus 13 minus 2 plus 10 plus 8. Next, 1 minus 9 minus 8. 1 minus 1 plus 6, that is plus 5. So this is the value of AB. Now find BA value now. So BA means compulsory you have to write first matrix B, next matrix A. 1 minus 1 minus 3 2 into A 2 5 1 3. Yes, arrow mark here, downwards. So BA is equal to 1 into 2 plus minus 1 into 1, comma, 1 into 5 plus minus 1, 1 into 2 minus 1 into 1. Next 1 into 5 minus 1 into 3 minus 3 into 2 plus 2 into 1, comma, minus 3 into 5 plus 2 into 3. Yes, therefore BA is equal to 1 into 2, 2, minus 1 into 1, minus 1, plus of minus 1, minus 1. 1 into 5, 5, minus 1 into 3, minus 3, plus of minus 3, so minus 3. Minus 3 into 2, minus 6. 2 into 1, 2, plus 2. Minus 3 into 5, minus 15. 2 into 3, 6, sign plus. So therefore BA is equal to 2 minus 1, 1, 5 minus 3, 2, minus 6 plus 2, that is minus 4, minus 15 plus 6, that is minus 9. Yes, now you observe AB, BA, therefore which implies, so AB is not equal to BA, therefore multiplication of matrices, is not commutative. So this is very important point. Okay na? Okay, is it clear? 4, 6, 2 minus 8 and q is equal to 2 minus 3 minus 1, 1. Find 2pq. First you have to calculate 2pq first. Multiplication. Then multiply all the elements of pq by 2. That's the solution. Pq is equal to p 4, 6, 2 minus 8. Arrow mark like this. Now next down. 2 minus 3 minus 1, 1. So which implies PQ as, shall I write direct product? Yes. 4 into 2, 4 into 2, 8. 6 into minus 1, 6 into minus 1, minus 6, comma. Again 4, 4 into minus 3, 4 into minus 3, minus 12. 6 into 1 plus 6. Next, second row, first column. 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 4. Minus into minus plus. 8 into 1, 8, comma. 2 into minus 3, 2 into minus 3, minus 6. Minus 8 into plus 1, minus 8 into plus 1, that is minus 8. So which implies PQ is equal to, simplify, 6 minus 8 minus 6, that is 2. Minus 12 plus 6, minus 6. 4 plus 8, 12. Minus 6 minus 8, minus 14. So therefore 2PQ is equal to, multiply all the elements by 2. 2 into 2, 4. 2 into minus 6, minus 12. 2 into 12, 24. 2 into minus 14, minus 28. So this is final answer. Very simple. Find the value of PQ. Next, multiply all the elements of PQ by 2. So this is final answer. Given A is equal to 1183. Evaluate A square minus 4A. Solution. Yes, now very important point. Please listen here everyone. So A square means, in case of matrices, A square means A into A. In case of arithmetic, so 2 square means that is 4. But here, don't make it square. That is 1, 64, 9. This is wrong in case of matrices. So A square means multiply matrix A 2 times. Multiply matrix A 2 times. This is very important. Don't make square. So I repeat once again. A square, in case of matrices, A square can be written as A into A, A into A. Multiply matrix 2 times. Don't make it square. 1 square, 1 square, 1. 1 square 1, 8 square 64, 9, 3 square 9. This is wrong. A into A. So A 1, 8, 3 into, again same, 1, 8, 3. Multiply matrix A 2 times, that is A square. So A square, which implies A square. Yes, I will write a direct answer. Consider first row, first column. 1 into 1, 1. So there is no question of sign here because all terms having positive sign. 1 into 1, 1, plus 1 into 8, 8. Again 1 into 1, 1, plus 1 into 3, 3. 8 into 1, 8. 3 into 8, 24. 8 into 1, 8. 3 into 3, 9. Therefore, the value of a square is equal to 1 plus 8, 9. 1 plus 3, 4. 24 plus 8, 32. 8 plus 9, that is 17. So this is the value of a square. Next, therefore, I will write here, therefore, now we consider what you have to calculate. So consider a square minus 4a, so which implies, so a square value we got already 9, 4, 32, 17, this is the value of a square, minus 4 into 1, 1, 8, 3, multiplication of a matrix by scalar, thus which implies 9, 4, 32, 17, multiply all the elements of matrix A by 4, 4 1 ja 4, again 4 1 ja 4, 4 8 ja 32, 4 3 ja 12, yes, this is subtraction, order same, then you can subtract corresponding elements, 9 minus 4, comma 4 minus 4, comma 32 minus 32, comma 17 minus 12. So the final answer is, yes, see here, final answer, 9 minus 4, 5, 4 minus 4, 0, 32 minus 32, 0, 17 minus 12, 5. So this is the value of a square minus 4a. Okay, is it clear? To 3724, b is equal to 0253, c is equal to 1 minus 5 minus 4 6. Find the value of a, b minus 5c. So which implies the solution ab minus 5c is equal to ab. I told you ab means compulsory. How to write first matrix a, 3 7 2 4. B, next B, don't interchange these two, that is BA, as you know already, AB is not equal to BA. 0, 2, 5, 3, so AB minus 5, C, 1, minus 5, minus 4, 6, S, again as usual, with arrow mark not compulsory, but you can remember easily. So which implies, so AB minus 5C is equal to 3 into 0, 0, 7 into 5, 35 plus 35. Again 3 into 2, 6, 3 into 7, 21, or 7 into 3, 21. 2 into 0, 0, plus 4 into 5, 20, comma 2 into 2, 4, plus 4 into 3, 12. So next one, multiplication of a matrix by scalar. Multiply all the elements by plus 5. I told you plus 5. Don't consider this sign. Plus 5. 5 into 1, 5. 5 into minus 5, minus 25. 5 into minus 4, minus 20. 5 into 6, 30. Don't consider this sign, otherwise you will get confusion, it is wrong. So minus as it is, multiply only by 5. So which implies AB minus 5C, which is equal to 0 plus 35, 35, 21 plus 6, 27, 0 plus 20, 20, 12 plus 4, 16, minus 5, comma, minus 25, minus 20, next 30. So as you know already, subtraction. So which implies, so AB minus 5C is equal to 35 minus 5. Correct? Corresponding elements. 27, not this one, corresponding elements, this is subtraction, minus of minus 25 plus 25. Next 20, minus of minus 20 plus 20, 16 minus 30. So the final answer is 35 minus 5, 30. 27 plus 25, 52. 20 plus 20, 40. 16 minus 30, minus 14. So this is the final answer.